getting tired?
If this is what he does when you tell him to roll over, I'd love to see what he does when you tell him to shake. I've lost change in the couch before, the remote control, but never, ever, my dog.
Let me see. Let me see your mouth. What do you got in there? Huh? What do you got in there? A toilet paper roll. You knucklehead. Can you speak? Socks? Huh? You sound like a cow. You're funny.
He doesn't want to take the skateboard for a ride. He wants to take the camera for a walk. Even on AFB, sometimes cuteness takes a back seat. He sees the cat in front of him. The cat behind him, total surprise. The only one who tries to stop him is the dog.
Go, baby, go!
How is this fair? One's doing all the tricks, the other's getting all the treats.
Get the stick again. Yeah.
If you tell your puppy to fetch, you better be specific. The key to successfully running up a slide, a cute little hop at the end. He's going for a touchdown, but he didn't count on the line barker. Epic whale! This possum should have played possum because this dog is playing dog.
Ooh, watch it.
What did you find in Daddy's backpack? Come on.
Some dogs beg for treats, some find a way to buy their own. This Chihuahua brought to you in Feisty Vision. It's a bit of a problem when your favorite shirt is also the dog's favorite shirt.
There goes his shirt.
Good boy, Tyson. Please don't.
I don't think this is the people food that dog was looking for.
Peter, get out, quick. Get out.
I can't do it.
When his friend steps out, he goes from sitting in the back of the boat to sitting on the bottom of the pond.
No, we can't have it on. It ain't raining.
This wiener likes wipers so much, he turns them on himself.
You gonna wait?
That hair clip is driving that Pomeranian insanian.